Building and publishing a website usually sounds expensive and complicated. You either need to learn how to code, spend hours working with confusing design tools, or pay someone else to build everything for you. And even after the website is finished, you still need to figure out hosting, domains, mobile design, buttons, pages, and updates. Honestly, that is the point where most beginners give up. But what if you could use ChatGPT to create the idea, content, and structure, and then use Hostinger to turn that plan into a real website without writing a single line of code? That is exactly what I'm going to show you today. First, we'll use ChatGPT to plan the website. Then, we'll move that plan into Hostinger and let the AI create the first version. Finally, we'll customize, test, and publish the website so other people can visit it. For this example, I'm going to create a modern AI tools directory called Tool Nest. The website will help beginners discover useful AI tools for writing, design, productivity, and content creation. But you can follow the same workflow for a personal portfolio, business website, landing page, blog, digital tool, or almost any other idea. And here is the surprise. You can use ChatGPT's free version to create your website plan, and you can test Hostinger with its free trial before choosing a plan. Just remember that you will need an eligible Hostinger plan when you are ready to keep the finished website published online. I'll leave a direct link to Hostinger in the description so you can try it out for yourself. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a simple workflow that takes you from a blank page to a real website. Let's start with the most important part, giving the AI a clear idea. Step 1. Create the website plan with ChatGPT. Now here comes my smartest part, because before I open a website builder, I use ChatGPT to organize the entire idea. This is a game changer for beginners. A lot of people open a website builder without knowing what pages they need, what text they should write, or what they want visitors to do. Then they spend an hour changing colors and moving buttons, but the website still feels confusing. I have literally done this before, and it is so frustrating. The better method is to create a simple plan first. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Help me plan a modern website called Tool Nest. Tool Nest is an AI tools directory for beginners. It helps people discover AI tools for writing, design, productivity, video creation, and business. Create a simple website structure with a homepage, categories section, featured tools section, benefits section, frequently asked questions, and a call to action. Write clear and friendly website copy. Keep the language simple and make the design feel modern, professional, and easy to understand. When I give ChatGPT a detailed request like this, the AI creates the website structure, section ideas, headlines, descriptions, and buttons. I literally go from having one basic idea to having an organized website plan in less than 10 minutes. That is the first major win. Now read the result and check 3 things. First, check the main headline. The headline should quickly explain what the website does. For ToolNest, a clear headline could be, "Discover the best AI tools in one place." Second, check the main button. It should tell visitors exactly what to do. For example, explore AI tools. Third, check the sections. For this website, I want categories, featured tools, benefits, frequently asked questions, and one final call to action. You do not need 15 different pages when you are starting. A clean homepage with 5 or 6 useful sections is much better than a giant website that feels unfinished. Here's what most people don't know. You can ask ChatGPT to improve only one section instead of creating the entire plan again. For example, type, "Rewrite the hero section." Make it shorter, more exciting, and focused on beginners who feel overwhelmed by too many AI tools. You can also say, "Give me 5 stronger button ideas," or make the description sound more friendly and less formal. This is super useful because you stay in control while ChatGPT handles the difficult writing. And please do not worry if your first prompt is not perfect. That struggle is completely normal. Your first prompt only needs to create a starting point. You can improve it with small follow-up instructions. Once you like the structure and content, copy the complete website plan. Now we're ready for the super cute part, watching Hostinger turn these words into a working website. Step 2. Build and customize the website in Hostinger. Here comes my most exciting part, because this is where the website begins to appear in front of us. Open Hostinger using the link in the description. Create or sign in to your Hostinger account. Start a new Horizons project and find the area where you can describe what you want to build. Instead of writing code, we are going to talk to the AI using normal words. Paste the website plan from ChatGPT, but add clear design instructions at the end. Here's the complete prompt I would use. Create a modern and responsive AI tools directory called Tool Nest. The website should help beginners discover useful AI tools for writing, design, productivity, video creation, and business. Create a homepage with a hero section, category cards, featured AI tools, a benefits section, frequently asked questions, and a final call to action. Use a clean white background with purple and blue accents. Add rounded cards, simple icons, clear buttons, and plenty of space between sections. The main headline should say, "Discover the best AI tools in one place." Add a main button that says, "Explore AI tools." Make the website easy to use on desktop computers, tablets, and mobile phones. After submitting the prompt, give Horizons a moment to generate the first version. When I use a detailed prompt like this, the AI creates the layout, adds the sections, writes the code, and shows me a working preview. I literally love watching the blank screen turn into a real website. It feels like you have a designer and developer helping you at the same time. However, do not expect the first version to be completely perfect. Maybe a section is too large. Maybe you do not like the colors. Maybe the main button is difficult to see. That does not mean you made a mistake. The first version is only the starting point. Now we continue by giving the AI small instructions, one change at a time. For example, I could type, "Make the hero section shorter and move the main button closer to the headline." This is where Horizons becomes a game changer. You do not need to search through hundreds of complicated settings. You describe the change and the AI updates the project. Here's what most people don't know. Long prompts are useful when creating the first version, but short prompts are often better when editing. Do not ask the AI to change the colors, redesign the hero section, add 3 pages, rewrite all the text, and change every button in one message. That can create unexpected results. Instead, make one clear change, check the preview, and then continue. For example, change the background to a softer white. Check it. Make the main headline slightly smaller on mobile. Check it again. Add more space between the category section and featured tools. This takes a little longer, but it gives you much more control. Within about 20 to 30 minutes, you can make a basic AI-generated website feel much more personal and polished. Now the design looks good, but we are not ready to publish yet. First, we need to test the buttons, check the mobile version, and make sure visitors can actually use the website. Step 3. Test, fix, and publish the website. Now comes the most important part, testing. A beautiful website is useless if the buttons do not work or the mobile version looks broken. Test the category cards, FAQs, menu, and important links. Make sure every element opens correctly and is easy to use. Then open the mobile preview. Check the headline, buttons, cards, menu, and spacing. If something looks wrong, use a specific prompt. On mobile, show the tool cards in one column and make every button full width. Ask yourself, can visitors understand the website in 5 seconds? Is the main button easy to find? Is the text readable? Does every section have a clear purpose? When everything works, open the publishing area and review the domain options. Features, prices, and benefits may vary, so check your plan before confirming. After publishing, open the live website and test it again. ChatGPT helps organize the idea and structure, while Hostinger turns that plan into a working website you can improve with simple prompts. You do not need coding experience. Start simple and improve one section at a time. You can test Horizons with the free trial, but an eligible plan is required to publish and keep the site live. The direct link is in the description. That is the complete 3-step workflow. First, use ChatGPT to create your website structure and content. Then, use Hostinger to generate and customize the website. Finally, test every important feature and publish the finished project. You can find the Hostinger link in the description. Use the direct link, review the current options, and choose the plan that makes sense for your project when you are ready to publish. After creating your website, come back and leave a comment telling me what you built. Was it a portfolio, business website, directory, blog, or something completely different? And subscribe because in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to improve an AI-generated website and make it look much more professional without writing code. Your first website does not need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Start with a simple idea, Give the AI clear instructions and improve it one step at a time.